In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install OneDrive on your Windows 11 PC. Installing OneDrive can streamline your access to files across all your devices and ensure seamless file synchronization. So let's dive right in. First, open a web browser of your choice, be it Chrome, Edge, or Firefox, and head to the address bar. Now simply type OneDrive in your search engine, whether you prefer Google, Bing, or any other search service. Once the results populate, the goal here is to find the official Microsoft link. You'll typically see a link to the Microsoft Office website in the top search results. Once you locate this link, click on it. It should redirect you to a page on Microsoft's website that's specifically for OneDrive. This page contains detailed information about OneDrive, including what it can do for you and how it integrates into the Microsoft ecosystem. The important part is finding the download link. It's usually front and center on the page or under a section labeled Downloads or Install. Click on this download link and your browser should begin the download process for the OneDrive setup file. You might notice a prompt to save the file. Go ahead and confirm it. Typically, the file will download into your default download folder, but you can also specify a different location if needed. Watch as the download completes. After successfully downloading the setup file, navigate to your download location and find the OneDrive installer. Double-click on the file to start the installation process. You may see a user account control prompt pop up asking for permission to make changes to your device. Click Yes to continue. The installer will now launch. It's usually automated, guiding you through the process with minimal user input. Follow the on-screen instructions. You might need to actively accept Microsoft's terms and conditions and choose the installation path where you'd like the software to reside. For most users, the default options work perfectly. If prompted, continue by clicking Next to advance through the setup wizard. Once the installation finishes, OneDrive will automatically open and prompt you to sign in. Here's where your Microsoft account comes into play. Enter the email and password associated with your Microsoft account. If you don't have one, you can create a new account right on the spot. Upon signing in, OneDrive will start syncing your files and you'll be presented with a brief walkthrough of its features. You can follow this tutorial or skip it if you're familiar with how OneDrive functions. Congratulations, you've installed OneDrive and it's now ready to be used on your Windows 11 PC. With this done, you can easily manage, share, and back up your files to the cloud, accessing them from virtually anywhere. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our other videos for more tips and tricks. Happy computing!